Today I am reviewing this LED bathroom light. We just put it in our bedroom above our vanity. It's a place we like to get ready. Sorry you can see all of the mess, but this nice light on it. Very easy to install. It's also very thin. I had another one that you can see how it's backlit a little bit right here as well, which gives it nice depth, makes it light up, down, below it. But this is kind of where my wife likes to get ready. So it's in our bedroom, in our vanity, above our dresser. So I put it in over here, and it's very versatile, very light, easy to hang. Comes with wall anchors and screws, and you could either put it horizontal like I did, or vertical. Works out very well. Has your anti-fog right there, and you can change the settings. See, there's like a warmer light, cool, and then off, then bright white. Overall looks awesome. It also, you can just put it in with a standard plug. See, it has this adapter right here, so you could also hardwire it if you wanted to, but then this extension runs straight to a plug that goes into our outlet. I'm going to hide this wire a little bit, but just wanted to show everybody how nice this looks and how excited we are for it. And I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.